It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work to achieve your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Very good morning, all of you guys. How are you all? Welcome back to the crash course on digital circuits. Very good morning. Good morning, everybody. Chalo, let's start. Good morning again. So today we are going to discuss about the data representation wala part. Data representation का मतलब ones complement, twos complement representation, signed magnitude, unsigned magnitude सभी discuss करेगा आज वाला class पे. इसके बाद we will be moving for some problems. Then most probably आज complete करेगा number system वाला chapter. कल से नया chapter will be started. Okay. So I hope you have attended my special class yesterday. Most of you have came to the class. ठीक है. So again we'll take one more special class day after tomorrow. हर 3 दिन के बाद एक स्पेशल क्लास में लेता हूँ टू सम अप द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ ऑल दीज 3 सेशंस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया ना स्पेशल क्लास व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन द स्पेशल क्लास. एज यू हैव अटेंडेड यस्टरडे यू गॉट द फीलिंग ऑफ live learning with interactive learning with me. You can chat with me there, you can be participating in the polls and you can get the ranking You can know how your performance, where you are committing the mistakes, all those things can happen only in the platform. Okay, so let's start. Let's discuss about Unacademy Plus subscription first. So if you want to go for Unacademy Plus subscription, इसमें क्या extra फायदा मिलेगा sir compared to YouTube? Compared to YouTube, no doubt in it, you have definitely a 10 times bigger picture in the Unacademy Plus subscription. You have all top educators of the country available on Unacademy platform. For every single subject, you have multiple educators there, because you, according to your frequency, you can choose your own educator, but there is no restriction. You can watch all the classes unlimitedly. So second year, third year बच्चों के लिए mainly this is the right time. You take a decision, guys. If you have more time when you are joining for this subscription, then you have a more choice to learn variety of courses. Okay, so crash courses, सभी courses you can attend. Comprehensive में पूरा syllabus cover हो पाएगा. Structured batches होता है आपको. Without disturbing your colleges, it can happen. You can learn live from your home or anywhere. Okay. So आपको notes मिलेगा, regular doubt solving sessions. Okay, आपका doubts live पे clear हो पाएगा, and you will be getting your own groups you can create. You can ask the doubts via audio. आपको test series मिलेगा, PYQs मिलेगा, practice questions मिलेगा. All these are the features of Unacademy Plus. If you go for Iconic, you get a personal digital coach, study planner, study booster sessions, recorded lecture of CSIT by RB sir, dedicated doubt solving instructors. आपको पर्सनलाइज्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस मिलेगा, प्रिपरेटरी मटेरियल मिलेगा. पर्सनलाइज्ड वे में आपको गाइडेंस चाहिए तो यू शुड गो फॉर अनअकैडमी आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, इसमें देर विल बी ए गाइडेंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इन द पर्सनल वे. ओके, राइट. सो दिस आर योर प्राइसेस गाइस फॉर अनअकैडमी प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन. इसमें आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. इफ यू लाइक माई टीचिंग, वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू ज्वाइन अनअकैडमी, यूज माई कोड Shankar10, or whenever any of your friend joins, refer the code Shankar10. You get 10% discount on the subscription on any course of Unacademy, not only GATE and ESE. So these are the prices for 24 months, 18 months and 1 year. And for Iconic also, you can use my same code. Just register this for combat exam, free special classes, everywhere you can use this code. These are the prices after the discount. So these are the batches started last week for GATE and ESE. And also exclusive ESE subjects also started microprocessor by me only. Okay, so price is going to hike. You want to take the advantage. So those who want to plan for 2 years and 18 months long term plan है, वो लोग अभी ले लो subscription. बाद में definitely price will increase. अभी तो ये offer है. If you take 6 months, for those who are aiming for only 2022, you can get 3 months extra. It can help you up to ESE exam also. Total 9 months you get in the form of 3 months subscription, 6 months subscription. So 6 months is 23,985 after discount. For that you will get 9 months of subscription. Okay. So this is the Ask a Doubt feature in Unacademy app. You can just download the app, type Ask a Doubt and crop a picture and send it, and follow the rules. You can ask any doubt of your wish. Okay. So this is a 1-to-1 live mentorship आपको मिलेगा with the help of Iconic subscription. Okay, आपको ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट चाहिए. If you are not able to pay for the Unacademy subscription, you can go for combat exam. This will happen every week on Sunday 11 AM, where you have 1 hour 20 questions मिलेगा and video solutions मिलेगा by the top educators. And also you will be getting what we call learning, competing live with your fellow participants, so that you can know your mistakes also. If you are able to manage in the top 100, you will get more discount, 25% or 50 or 75% on your subscription fee. Okay. So this is about me. This is Bhima Sankar. I did my MTech from IIT Kharagpur. I have 10 years of teaching experience in this GATE and ESE throughout the country. So with the subjects of digital circuits, network analysis, microprocessors, and I am going to start the CO also, computer organization. Okay, fine. So let's continue with the yesterday's discussion of the BCD codes. मैं तो BCD arithmetic discuss किया. I have explained you XS3 edition. And also we have done the problem gray code. We discussed why or where we need to use the gray code, how to make the gray code. इसके लिए I have given you shortcut also. That's all. So now let's move for the data representation. That is the next part of our class. So in the data representation, what happens? Okay, once again, very, very, very good morning. Thank you. Okay, so data representation. You have different type of representation. Okay, see here, one more thing, exclusively for ESE. in this floating and this particular thing we will be discussing. It is only for EC. They added in last year syllabus. Okay, we will discuss at end. ये तो मैं डिस्कस करता हूँ लास्टली, दैट इज ड्यूरिंग लॉजिक फैमिलीज. ईसी एक्सक्लूसिव टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करेगा, सैम्पल एंड होल्ड सर्क्यूट्स, लॉजिक फैमिलीज. उस समय पे आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस पार्ट. I'll be discussing at that time. Okay, so now we will be dealing with these four. First one, unsigned magnitude representation, signed magnitude representation, ones complement and twos complement. Sir, what is this data representation comes? What is the meaning of this, sir? Listen carefully. Computer should represent every single number. That includes positive number, negative number. So sometimes there is a chance in your bank there is a balance of negative balance आ सकते हैं, credit card में negative आते हैं. So there is a need, computer should also represent negative numbers. So computer don't know negative positive, it knows only zeros and ones. That is honor of technology. So we should be able to represent your numbers. आप अपना numbers represent करना चाहिए using ones and zeros for both positive and negative. So positive और negative के लिए we should distinguish, दोनों को we should divide in some clever way. इसके लिए अलग अलग representations आपको help करेगा. ठीक है. So mainly these representations are helpful for representing negative numbers. Negative numbers different cases में आ सकते हैं. आप subtraction करना समय पे a minus b is a plus negative of b. नहीं है तो different cases में तो बताया ना, banking accounts etc. में negative balance आएंगे तो you should represent them definitely. So इसके लिए कंप्यूटर के अंदर कंप्यूटर को समझ होने के लिए नेगेटिव नंबर्स को क्या कैसा डील करना, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन दिस टॉपिक. द फर्स्ट वन इज अनसाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है, अनसाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो अभी तक हमने जो डिस्कस किया, वट एवर वी डिस्कस्ड अप टू नो इज कॉल्ड अनसाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड रिप्रेजेंटेशन. देयर इज नो साइन, ओनली वी हैव मैग्नीट्यूड. इफ यू हैव 4 बिट्स, 4 zeros to 4 ones, 4 जीरो से 4 ones तक यू विल बी having it. इसमें you will be getting the numbers from 0 to 15. No positive, no negative numbers will be represented in this unsigned. Okay, let's move. So unsigned magnitude, here we represent only positive numbers. इसमें केवल positive numbers ही represent करेगा. आपके पास n bits है तो n zeros से n 1 तक represent कर सकते हैं. If you have n bits, you can represent from n zeros to n ones. That is 0 to 2 power n minus 1 is the range. For example, if you have 4 bits, what is that? You can represent from 4 zeros to 4 ones. That is 0 to 2 power 4 minus 1. That is 0 to 15. Right? Here no concept of negative number here. That is the first representation called unsigned representation. Unsigned magnitude representation. Now let's move for the signed magnitude representation. Here signed magnitude representation may we can represent both positive numbers and negative numbers. Here how, don't read that, how we represent positive and negative numbers, sir. Positive numbers and negative numbers are distinguished with the help of one extra bit. We call it as a sign bit. सर एक एक्स्ट्रा बिट होता है, इसका नाम क्या है सर? साइन बिट. वो साइन बिट आपको हेल्प करेगा, मदद करेगा टू आइडेंटिफाई पॉजिटिव नंबर और नेगेटिव नंबर. साइन बिट इज द एक्स्ट्रा बिट है ना. साइन बिट इज 0. इफ द साइन बिट इज 0 पॉजिटिव, इफ द साइन बिट इज 1 वी कंसिडर इट एज ए नेगेटिव. हमारा सिस्टम ऐसा डिजाइन करेगा, साइन बिट पे 0 है तो हम पॉजिटिव लेता है, साइन बिट पे 1 है तो वी विल कंसिडर इट एज ए नेगेटिव. सो आपके पास हियर क्या होता है, रीड दिस, बोथ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. MSP को साइन को डेडिकेट करेगा एंड पॉजिटिव नंबर साइन 0 पॉजिटिव, साइन 1 नेगेटिव. विथ n bits we can represent this. I will come, don't worry. Okay, so let me show you. Sign and magnitude. So magnitude में you take all zeros to all ones. Here also. So sign can be positive or negative. If you take here 0, it is a positive number. If you take 1, it is a negative number. Okay? So sign bit will distinguish whether it is a positive number or negative number. So here, what is the value of this? Magnitude is 0, sign is 1, minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 7. Okay, similarly here, plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 7. So how you distinguish between positive and negative number? Positive negative का distinguishing कैसा करेगा sir? Based on the first bit, sign bit 0 or 1, we will be distinguishing between positive numbers and negative numbers. Fine sir, समझ हो गया. Sign 0 है तो positive, sign 1 है तो negative लेना चाहिए. ठीक है sir, सही है. So here एक disadvantage है, 0 को दो representations मिला. 0 को प्लस 0 है, माइनस 0 भी है. प्लस 0 का मतलब 4 0, बट 0 तो 0 ही है ना. देर इज नो फिजिकल मीनिंग फॉर प्लस एंड माइनस जीरोस. यू शुड हैव ओनली वन रिप्रेजेंटेशन. इट इज वेस्टिंग अवर व्हाट वी कॉल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ओके, सो इसमें हमने n इक्वल टू 4 बिट ले लिया. इसका रेंज कितना सर बताओ? हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? इफ यू हैव 4 बिट्स, फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट सर? -7 टू +7. दैट इज, यहीं पे आपका रेंज ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज -7 से +7 तक में 4 बिट मेरा पास है तो रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. सो -7 को लिख सकते हैं -2 power 4 - 1, दैट इज 2 power n - 1 - 1 to 2 power n - 1 - 1. Previously, if you take unsigned representation, your range is 0 to 2 power n - 1. But here, n - 1 - 1 and n - negative to positive. Okay? So this is about your signed magnitude representation. Any doubt? Very good. Okay. See, anyway, Shubham asked me, so already I also want to give you this information today, guys. See guys, this is a full course or crash course. Though answers say it is a full and crash. Already given. Who is that? Guru. Okay. For those who attend my special classes, it will help like a full comprehensive course. For those who are attending only YouTube classes, it is like a crash course. Both of them according to your need. आप कम टाइम पे कंप्लीट करना चाहिए तो क्रैश यूट्यूब वाला ओनली फॉलो. आपको कॉम्प्रहेंसिव जैसा फील आना चाहिए तो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल क्लासेस जो मैं ले रहा हूँ ना वो भी फॉलो करना. बस सिंपल सी आंसर. ठीक है. सो हमारा यूट्यूब और दिस वन स्पेशल मिल के इट इज़ ए कॉम्प्रहेंसिव पैकेज. ओनली यूट्यूब इज़ ए क्रैश. ओके फाइन. चलो गाइस, इसमें क्लियर है ना. हम आगे चलेगा नेक्स्ट में. लिसन हियर. Here we have one important observation. Suppose your n is equal to 4 bits. What is +7? +7 क्या होता है सर? If you take n equal to 6 bits, what is +7? What is n equal to 8 bits में +7? पाँच 0 और 111. सही है सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अभी मैं तो -7 रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहिए तो फर्स्ट बिट को चेंज करना 111. -7 के लिए आई वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट -7. फर्स्ट बिट शुड बी मेड 1, बाकी टू बी एज इट इज. हियर -7, first bit is 1, the remaining to be as it is. Okay, fine. So now listen here. Okay, so first bit is 0, it is a +7. First bit is 1, it is a -7. ठीक है, fine sir. Okay, no problem. इसमें representation में कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बट हियर दिक्कत ये होता है व्हेन यू फेस डिफिकल्टी, यू शुड नॉट थिंक एज ए पर्सन. मैन्युअली हम लिखेंगे तो क्या होता है, ऐसा नहीं. आप कंप्यूटर जैसा थिंक करना चाहिए. यू शुड थिंक लाइक ए कंप्यूटर. फॉर ए कंप्यूटर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु सी हियर you have 3 proposals. So the computer will love only one person. Let's see. Computer को 3 proposal आया, signed magnitude, 1's complement, 2's complement. These 3 people proposed to your computer. Whose proposal will be accepted by the computer? Let's see. So here the computer observed that 0 is having 2 representation. एक दिक्कत है इसमें, एक गलत, एक disadvantage. दूसरा disadvantage is this one. आप साइंड रिप्रेजेंटेशन में मेरा सिस्टम इज नंबर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड इन 4 बिट्स, मैंने तो अपग्रेड करना चाहिए टू एक्सटेंड दिस टू 8 बिट्स. सेम नंबर में 8 बिट में रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहिए बिकॉज आई वांट टू कॉपी टू सम रजिस्टर वेयर रजिस्टर इज ए 8 बिट बट योर नंबर इज ए 4 बिट. देन एक्सटेंड द नंबर करना चाहिए. आर यू आर अपडेटिंग योर कंप्यूटर टू 8 बिट टू 16 बिट कर रहा है. ओके देन सारे डाटा जो है ना इसको 8 बिट से अब 16 बिट को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहिए. यू शुड व्हाट वी कॉल एक्सटेंड this 8-bit representation into 16-bit. So whenever you are increasing the range, that is 4-bit to 6-bit or 6-bit to 8-bit, the same number you need to represent. What we need to do, if you observe physically, between sign and magnitude, ये आपका साइन है, ये मैग्नीट्यूड है. साइन और मैग्नीट्यूड का बीच में क्या आ रहा है सर? We are inserting 0. This is your sign and magnitude. Here also same story na. This is the sign and magnitude. So you can say to extend the range or upgrade to a next more number of bits, we need to क्या करना? Insert zeros between some sign and magnitude. साइन और मैग्नीट्यूड का बीच में हम जीरोस इंसर्ट करना, दैट इज द रिक्वायर्ड कंडीशन. बट कंप्यूटर के लिए ये दिक्कत है, इसके लिए सेपरेट हार्डवेयर चाहिए काम करना. कंप्यूटर बहुत लेजी है, हमसे ज़्यादा लेजी है. लेजी का मतलब ये है इट विल ऑलवेज चूज द मेथड विच इज़ ईजी टू इम्प्लीमेंट. हार्डवेयर कम चाहिए, कम टाइम पे होना चाहिए काम. इसको पेशेंस भी कम है. ओके एंड बहुत लेजी है. ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना चाहिए बट रिजल्ट तो आना चाहिए कम टाइम पे. ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट कंप्यूटर, एक्चुअली एंड यूजर का रिक्वायरमेंट. एंड यूजर डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड मोर ऑन द हार्डवेयर एंड एंड यूजर डोंट वांट टू वेट फॉर मोर टाइम टू गेट द रिजल्ट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टाइम इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, हार्डवेयर इज ऑल्सो मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. ये दोनों सेव करने के समय पे योर कंप्यूटर इज नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस रिप्रेजेंटेशन, इट इज वेटिंग फॉर सम बेटर अल्टरनेटिव. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिसएडवांटेजेस. 0 is having 2 representations. Extending the range is difficult. We need to insert zeros between the sign and magnitude to extend the range. The same number को represent करने के different number of bits में sign और magnitude के बीच में zeros insert करना. Manually inserting is easy, but computer में करने तो थोड़ा सा time लगेगा, hardware चाहिए. Okay, you require hardware, you require some time to do this job. So it is the disadvantage. So to overcome these disadvantages, we will move to the next representation that is called as complementary representation. Okay, so in that the first one is signed one's complement representation. Anytime, any doubt, feel free to comment. Okay, I'll keep on seeing your comments. Very good, very good. Thank you, Aman. Akhil. Right, October, that is next month, I will start a comprehensive course, more than 100 hours in digital for plus. Okay, that is going to happen next month. Okay guys, shall we move further? Shall we move further? आगे चलेगा. Is it clear to everybody? Comment guys. Okay, right. So here let me give you the new example. Okay, here also same story. What is one's complement representation? Let me explain. वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन में क्या होता है सर? वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो बहुत आसान है, सिंपल सी बात है. पॉजिटिव नंबर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज इट इज. इफ इट इज ए पॉजिटिव नंबर वी रिप्रेजेंट दैट नंबर एज इट इज विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस. अगर द नंबर नेगेटिव है तो, अगर आपका नंबर नेगेटिव है तो क्या करेगा सर? इसको क्या करेगा? नेगेटिव नंबर है तो वी विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ इट्स वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. लाइक earlier we have done that. I showed you why negative numbers are taken with the help of ours complement. Now we are coming to that concept now. So positive numbers are represented as it is in the computer. Negative numbers are represented with ones complement. Right? Listen here. Signed. Simple inverter can do this job. Okay. So signed ones complement representation. Number is positive, it is represented as it is. If the number is negative, it is represented by ones complement format. Fine. Chalo. Listen here. Here, if your number is positive, we represent as it is. Okay. अगर आपका नंबर नेगेटिव है तो we will take its complement. 0 0 0 0 का complement 1 1 1 1, 0 0 0 1 का complement 1 1 1 0, all zeros 1 0 का complement 1 1 0 1. Here इसका complement is 1 0 0 0. So if the number is positive we take as it is, if the number is negative we take its complement to represent it. So this is how you are representing the positive and negative numbers in the ones complement representation. So here this is plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 7. But if it is minus, you take the complement. -2 and -7. आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं इसमें भी रेंज सेम है, इसमें भी 0 को 2 रिप्रेजेंटेशंस है, बट वन डिफरेंस क्या होता है सर? इसमें ऑल्सो वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जर्वेशन इन बोथ द केसेस it is the same range. Both the cases 0 is having 2 formats, and both the cases first bit is 0 for the positives, first bit is 1 for the negative, because after taking the complement 0 will become 1 obviously. So here also the first bit will indirectly represent your sign, no doubt in it. So in any representation, sign representation में 0 is in the first bit, it is a positive number, 1 is in the first bit, it is a negative. That is always the first bit will indicate the sign in any representation except in the unsigned representation. Okay. So now you have 0, it is having 2 representations, same, plus 0, minus 0. Plus 0 का मतलब all zeros, minus 0 का मतलब here. The range also same. दोनों केस में रेंज तो सेम आया ना, -2 power n minus 1 minus 1 to this is an important objective bit. The range will remain same in both the cases. Okay. So these two conditions are same. Okay. Now listen carefully. Okay. So यही तक में तो same condition. Now क्या करना? Extending the range ले लो. See here 4 bit में you have plus 7, 0 1 1 1. 6 bit में any example you take, I am taking plus 7, it is 0 0 0 1 1 1. Fine. If you take -7 क्या होता है सर? Complement 1 0 0. If you take -1 क्या होता है सर? Complement 1 1 0 0. Similarly 8 bit भी ले लो यार, plus 7 it is 0 followed by -7, इसका complement ले लो, all ones 0 0 0. Now you observe it. If your bit positive 0, negative 1, fine. Extending range में here we are not inserting zeros. You may observe sir sign magnitude बीच में zeros आए ना? नहीं. One simple rule is here copy MSB. Here also copy MSB. So in both the cases, what is true is just copy this bit n number of times to extend the number of bits of that particular representation. Extending range is easy here because here first bit 0 hai to 0 copy karo, first bit 1 hai to 1 copy karna indirectly. So extending range is just copy the MSB repeatedly. Okay. So to extend the range kya karna? To extend copy the MSB. Isko कहते sign extension. So here one जो दिक्कत है ना disadvantage is overcome, but still 0 is having two representation, still it is there, but one way it is favorable to the computer. Maybe computer might accept this, still computer will feel is there any better choice is there. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा better choice है तो then it will be better, क्योंकि here also 0 पे 2 representation है, but एक problem तो solve हो गया, क्या? Extending the range is easy. Okay, so understand? Right, thank you. Deepak, you can follow this course. Okay. So now listen here. Let's discuss our, मैं तो already बताया, subtraction can be done with the help of complementary representation. I am going to explain you one's complement representation. One's complement representation में क्या होता है सर? आपने a minus b करना चाहिए. You want to do one's complement representation. If you want to do a minus b, you can do simply with a plus one's complement of b. How it will do it? Let me give you one example. So suppose you want to do 5 minus 3. Okay. So 5 minus 3 can be done with the help of, let me do this, then you will get better clarity. You want to do 5 minus 3, it can be done as 5 plus 1's complement of 3. What is 5, sir? 0, 1, 0, 1. What is 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. What is 1's complement of 3? 3 का 1's complement कितना सर? इसका complement करो, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now, if you want to do 5 minus 3, आपको पता है answer 2. What you can do is 5 plus 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1's complement of 3. That is 1, 1, 0, 0. Right? So 1, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. See here, whatever the carry you will get here, you should bring and add it back. Then 0, 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. This is the result, which is nothing but 2. Here one problem is, after the addition, first you want to do a minus b, a plus 1's complement of b karo. After the addition, whatever the carry you get, you should bring it back and add it. Okay? Right? Chalo. Now, see, this is what I told. Okay, if you want to do ulta karna chahiye to 3 minus 5 karna chahiye to you should do 3 plus 1's complement of 5. If I add 3 plus 1's complement of 5, 1's complement of 5 is 1, 0, 1, 0 na? 0, 1, 0, 1 is the 5. Then what is its 1's complement is 1, 0, 1, 0. Here 1 आएगा, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1, 1. See here important point, when there is no carry in the addition, previously we got a carry, 1 minute. Previously we got a carry. If you get a carry, okay fine, bring it back, add it. Carry आएंगे तो बाहर वापस लाके add करो, सही है. अगर इस एडिशन पे कैरी नया आएंगे तो इसका मतलब आपका आंसर इज नेगेटिव नंबर. इसका मतलब नो कैरी का मतलब answer is negative and the answer is in the form of 1's complement. What is 1101 in the 1's complement? 1101 in the 1's complement is minus 2. If you want to know its value, I will give you the technique. Okay, to know the magnitude of the answer, we can take its complement. 1101 का complement ले लो, you will understand its magnitude. नहीं है तो एक technique दे रहा हूँ. 1101 ना, here use the technique minus 7 4 2 1 technique. ठीक है, so minus 7 plus 4 plus 1 will be the answer. Okay, this technique is applicable for 1's complement representation. MSB को you should take a negative weight minus 1. This you should take it as minus 2 power n minus 1. This is for MSP. Baki weights you use 8421 code. For example, you have 110 11101. You should take here minus 15 8421. Then minus 15 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. That will give you how much? Minus 2. Okay. So this is an example I am giving you. It is not for this question. I am just giving the example. How to find the value of one's complement representation. Negative numbers के लिए applicable, not every time. I am repeating the things. Please listen. If the result is positive, you get a carry. You should bring it back and add it. Fine. If the result is negative, you don't get any carry. उस समय पे क्या करना चाहिए sir? You find its complement to get the magnitude. Otherwise, simple method is add weights. -7 4 2 1 जैसा you should have the weights. MSB को negative लेना, बाकी को positive. If you add them, whatever you get is the result. Okay. So listen here. Next. So advantage of one's complement क्या होता है sir? One's complement में एक disadvantage तो overcome किया. क्या? What is the disadvantage we overcome using one's complement? Extending range is simple, fine. But the disadvantage still available is 0 is having 2 representation. And addition में मैं तो already बताया ना, computer is very much lazy. Computer बहुत lazy है भाई. And hardware कम होना चाहिए, time भी save होना चाहिए. Why should we add this number back here every time? This is extra time चाहिए. जो number आएंगे तो उसको वापस लाके add करने में. So this computer don't like. So this is also a disadvantage. If there is any carry in the addition, we need to add it back to get the result. मैं तो already during the explanation of r's and r minus 1's complement, I gave you the logic why subtraction can be done with the a plus r minus 1 or r's complement. Okay, you can relate that now. Okay, so all these disadvantages we can overcome with our hero, whom the computer is going to accept the proposal, that is 2's complement representation. In 2's complement representation, if the number is positive, it is represented as it is. Number is negative, it is represented with the help of its 2's complement representation. Right? So let's go for that. See here. Listen, this is 0, plus 1, plus 2, up to plus 7. If it is a negative number, take 2's complement and representation. If you take 2's complement of this number, 0001, what is the answer you get is 1110. 1110 is 1's complement, plus 1 will give you 2's complement. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on, minus 8. Here the range is extended because 0 is having only one representation here. Why sir? If 0 is a plus 0, take 0, 0, 0, 0. Minus 0 है तो take 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2's complement करो. What do you get? 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry. Neglect this carry. Same आएगा ना both the cases. whether it is a positive number, negative number, you will get the same 0. So 0 ka disadvantage to gaya. 0 is having only one representation in this case, and that's why its range is increased to up to -8. So here the range is n equal to 4, you got -8 to +7. That is -2 power n minus 1 to plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, this is the range. Exam pay it is important, so I have given this table of the ranges. Okay, so for the normal it is 0 to 2 power n minus 1. For a signed magnitude and 1's complement representation, this much. For 2's complement, 2 power n minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, here the range is increased by 1 because 0 is having only one representation. Here it is called symmetrical representation kyunki minus and plus range will be same. It is asymmetrical because it is starting from -8 ending at +7 for 4 bit or any n number of bits. Okay. Just a moment. Now listen carefully. If you have 4 bits, same examples I will do, and I will say here there are no disadvantages. Okay, you have +7, 0, 111. Okay, n equal to 6 bits, +7, n equal to 4 bits only, but -7. One's complement plus 1. Okay. So see here. Here first bit is the same. MSB is copied. MSB will be copied. So sign extension same rule. Copy MSB to extend the range or sign extension. So no problem here. 0 को 2 रिप्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं है, रेंज भी इंक्रीज हो गया, कंप्यूटर जी बहुत इंप्रेस हो गया. एक ही बात चेक करना, व्हाट अबाउट द एडिशन पार्ट. सो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हम बाद में करेगा. ओके, लिसन हियर. Okay, now please listen. Just a minute. Madhav, you can join the special class. Okay, there next Thursday you have any doubt you can ask me there. Okay. And that is just my code. 1 minute. Yeah, where are we? Now, listen here. 2's complement arithmetic. आपने a minus b करना चाहिए तो what is the method is a plus 2's complement of b. You need to do this one. Fine sir, no problem sir. See here. Suppose you want to do 5 minus 3. Okay. So what is the answer? 5 plus 2's complement of 3. Let me do this and show you. 5 is 0101 and 3 is 0011 minus 3 is 1100 plus 1 because 1's complement plus 1. So what is 5 minus 3? 2. 5 minus 3 is 0101 plus 1101. Now add it, guys. Minus 3 is 2's complement में this much. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. Neglect this carry. ठीक है? Then this is your answer. Why we are neglecting this carry, sir? Here, you know, understand, there is an advantage because if you neglect the carry, there is no need of adding the number back. ये तो advantage है, कोई doubt नहीं. There is no doubt, it is advantage compared to previous case. But why we are neglecting here? Let me relate it now with the what we discussed in the R's complement. What is the formula of R's complement? R power n minus number. R power n is nothing but 1 followed by n zeros minus number. Okay, for example, you want to do a minus b. So, what is R's complement of b? Okay, say a is a3, a2, a1, a0. What is b? b3, b2, b1, b0. Okay, fine. So, what is the R's complement of a minus b is? R's complement में R's complement of b is, okay, 4 bit na, 1 followed by 4 zeros minus b3, b2, b1, b0. What is a plus R's complement of b? Just add a, that is a3, a2, a1, a0 plus 1 followed by 4 zeros minus, okay, what do you get? b3, b1. If you neglect the carry, this part will give you a minus b. You can neglect this carry. That is the reason we are neglecting the carry here. Okay, understand? Because R power n is nothing but 1 followed by n number of zeros. So, if you take example of 4 bits, 1 followed by 4 zeros minus the number will give you R's complement. Already R's complement mein you are doing this job. Now, you are bringing this and adding. Okay, but we have a choice, we have a method to do this operation without subtraction. That is the advantage. Okay, so adding the R's complement is equal to same as a minus b with extra carry. That carry we are neglecting in this process. That is the reason we are neglecting the carry. Okay, fine. But if the result is what we call, if your answer is negative, then what happens? Let's go for that. That also you can analyze in the same way and you can find out the reason. Derivations you can do on your own, guys. Just logic में तो दिया ना, इसको use करके. If you are doing 3 minus 5. So 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. Minus 5 का मतलब is 0, 1, 0, 1 का complement ले लो. That is 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 1. Right. So 3 minus 5 के लिए minus 2 आएगा. Minus 2. 3 is how much? 0, 0, 1, 1. Minus 5 is 1, 0, 1, 1. Sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, no carry. No carry means negative answer. Okay, you can check our previous pages. 1110 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, answer is negative. Okay, if you want to know, just take 2's complement. What is the 2's complement of 1110? 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 1. Right? Or you can also do 1110 के लिए. Here, earlier we took minus 7, 4 to 1. Here, minus 8, 4 to 1 is the code. So, minus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Minus 2. So, here, yes, Computer G accepted all the proposals. Okay. I mean, the Computer G finally who win the heart of computer is the 2's complement. In the computer internally we use this 2's complement representation because it is not having any disadvantages. So we need not add the carry back. We have only one representation for 0. Extending the range is also easy. So finally the winner of all of them is 2's complement representation. So 2's complement में बारे में मैं तो थोड़ा सा information देना चाहिए. Listen here. Exam पे suppose This number is given, okay, in the 2's complement representation. Okay, 2's complement representation mein this number is given. What is the value? Don't do again it's 2's complement and add the one. That process is do 1's complement, add the one, get the magnitude and take the negative. Utna karna nahi chahiye. Simple si process. I am giving you 111 011 01. You can use the code of 8421 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 and minus 128. First MSB you should take negative. Then what do you get? Minus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Wherever you have 1, add them. What do you get? 40, 104, 109. 109 subtract किया तो minus 19 आएगा. This is how you can find the value. You can also do like this. Instead of doing this method, or this number is 11101111101 ना, you can write it as 1011101. क्योंकि ये तो sign extension है ना, you can neglect the n number of ones है तो you can keep only one and remaining you can neglect. Then what happens? Same आएगा और नया आएगा. Check it. 16 just a moment. Okay, 101101 ले लो. 8421 16 minus 32. In this way also same answer. Minus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. You get minus 19. These techniques will help you to find the magnitude of a 2's complement number. Very good. Madhav, it is again on Thursday. I hope you have not attended last classes. First attend the classes on time. Okay. I have already given that answer in the starting of the class. Instead of asking that, attend the classes on time regularly, then you don't have this problem. ठीक है. चलो. Listen here, I want to give you one more technique also. Suppose see here. Yeah, you can answer this question. Examiner दिया 1010. हमारा टेक्निक अप्लाई करके फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ इट्स 2's complement रिप्रेजेंटेशन में. दिस नंबर इज देयर. व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू? सी केवल एक टॉपिक बाकी है, दैट इज ओवरफ्लो, विच वी डिस्कस टुमारो, एंड देन वी विल मूव फॉर द न्यू चैप्टर टुमारो, दैट इज बूलियन अलजेब्रा चैप्टर शुरू करेगा. ओके, सो टेल मी द आंसर गाइस. एवरीबॉडी गिव ए ट्राई एंड टेल मी द आंसर. इसका आंसर क्या? कमेंट यार, मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूँ. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है? मैं तो टेक्निक दिया ना. डोंट फाइंड इट्स 2's complement अगेन एंड फाइंडिंग द पॉजिटिव नंबर देन राइटिंग द नेगेटिव. उतना स्टोरी करना नहीं चाहिए. मैं तो एक शॉर्टकट दिया ना, यूज दैट. वेट कर रहा हूँ मैंने आंसर के लिए. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 माइनस 128 हो गया. माइनस 128 प्लस 32 प्लस 8 प्लस 2 माइनस 86 आएगा. बस ऑप्शन बी. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ओके, चलो. So just we'll do all these questions in the special class. We have a very good number of questions. Okay, सभी questions करेगा बाद में. Okay, so let's do this. Before that, see here. What is the 2's complement of how to find the 2's complement of this number. Generally what you do, find 1's complement, then add 1. Okay, then you get 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, ऐसा आता है. ओके, इतना भी करना नहीं चाहिए. मैं ट्रिक दे रहा हूँ. सी हियर, 110 111 00. If you want to find its 2's complement, just read from this side. फर्स्ट वन आने समय तक एज इट इज कॉपी करो. रिमाइनिंग यू टेक इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट अप टू फर्स्ट वन फ्रॉम द राइट साइड LSB से फर्स्ट वन तक कॉपी एज इट इज. रिमाइनिंग यू टेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट. नाउ आई विल यूज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सेम आंसर आएगा, नो डाउट. Okay, so see here, for example, if you want 2's complement of 110010, how to do it is up to first one copy as it is, remaining you take the complement. You try by normal 1's complement plus 1 and this method will give you same answer. What is the 2's complement of 1001? Up to first one copy as it is and remaining you to the complement. What is the 2's complement of 101 followed by all zeros? Copy as it is up to first one. Remaining you take the complement. This is the shortcut you can apply it. ठीक है? Thank you, Kranti. Okay. So is it fine? So again I am saying, suppose sometimes examiner asks you what is the 2's complement representation of plus 12. If examiner give you positive number, never take 2's complement. If examiner asks you what is the 2's complement representation of plus 12, you should take it as a 1101100 only. If examiner asks you what is the 2's complement of minus 12, उस समय पे करना चाहिए 2's complement. Okay, so fine. So let's do 2 more questions and then end the session for today. So this is the question given in last year GATE 2020 paper में. So give a try and give your answer. 2 question बाकी, I will complete it and I will leave you. So tomorrow we will discuss overflow and then we can end the chapter and start the next Boolean algebra and logic gates wala part. Thank you, Shreya. Read this question. PQ are the decimal integers corresponding to the 4-bit binary number 1100. So there is a number. First I will explain the question. In digital, magic is understanding the question. If you understand, you can answer it. So reading the question with patience, very, very important, and confidence. So 1100 is the number, okay, considered to be in signed magnitude. Suppose 1100 is in signed magnitude. What is its equivalent? Suppose it is in 1's complement, what is its equivalent? Suppose if it is in 2's complement, what is its equivalent? मेरा पास एक नंबर है 1100. अगर वो नंबर 1's complement है तो क्या होता है, 2's complement है तो क्या होता है, signed में represent किया तो क्या होता है. Okay, then its values are given by PQR. The 6-bit 2's complement representation of P plus Q plus R. First see here, the signed magnitude. If you have 1100, what is the answer? What is the integer value of this? Please comment. What is the value of 1100 in signed magnitude? Tell me the answer. Signed magnitude में 1100 कितना होता है? Yes, PDF में share कर रहा हूँ ना groups में. Comment please. Yes, it is equal to, see here, signed magnitude में first bit 1 है तो negative, 100 means 4. Okay, fine. Then similarly, if you have 1100 in 1's complement, 1's complement में 1100 है तो what is its value? Here 1100 का 1's complement कितना होता है सर? 0011. इसका मतलब -3. You can use our concept -7421 वाला concept मैंने बताया ना. minus 7 plus 4, 3, minus 3. Pawan, I'm teaching this from last almost 10 years. Na? So with experience, automatically tricks will strike on. Next, 2's complement. The same number is represented in 2's complement. What is its value, sir? Minus 8, 4, 2, 1. Minus 8 plus 4 कितना होता है, sir? Minus 4. So this is your R. अभी आप बताओ P plus Q plus R कितना होता है? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 4, minus 11. So what is plus 11? It is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1 code से. Then what is minus 11? Okay, then you just copy first one as it is, बाकी का complement करो. So this is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. If you want to extend, just copy the MSB multiple times to extend the range. So 8-bit answer is given by examiner, or 7-bit, whatever may be, 6-bit representation. Huh? Six bit चाहिए तो here itself you take 6 bit, you get 1. 1 1 0 1 0 1. Option A. ठीक है? Understanding question is the key to understand the question. Okay, if you understand the question, there is nothing great in this question. One more last question for today. Ready? This question, if you answer, I will be very happy. So let me see how many of you are able to answer this question. See here, I will be explaining the question for you guys. इसमें a number 2's complement representation में a3, a2, a1, a0 represents n. What is n is this one. If you have a number a3, a3, a2, a1, a0 and 1, what is the value of this number? Examiner has given you 4 options. You should select whichever is the correct answer. मैं तो शुरू कर रहा हूं आपका टाइमर. चलो I'll come to back, Kalyani. Give me the answer, guys. Everybody, give a try. हो गया आपका टाइम. एक ही आंसर राइट मिला. हरिराम, वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर. सी हियर, वेरी सिंपल थिंग. इफ ए नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 2, what is the answer you get is a3, a2, a1, a0 and 0 will be added. Okay, so what is 2n plus 1? a3, a2, A1 A0 LSB में 1 ऐड करो, then this is equal to A3 A2 A1 A0 1. Why? Because it is just a sign extension. ये तो sign extension है ना, इसको neglect करो, then number shifted and 1 is added. Shift का मतलब 0 is first added, that is 0 यहीं पे आना चाहिए, इसका मतलब multiply with 2, then add 1. So the answer is 2n plus 1. That's all for today, guys. Okay. So Kalyani, see here, if you have 0011, it is plus 3, but what is given by examiner is 1100. 1100 is first bit 1 means it is a negative number. To know its magnitude, you can take 1's complement 0011. That will give you magnitude only 3. But because the first bit is 1, it is a negative number. You can see 0011 is plus 3 and 1100 is minus 3. It is not 1's complement of 1100. It is 1's in 1100 in 1's complement. Okay. मेरा पावर गया, एनीवे क्लास तो हो गया, ठीक है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस. ओके, इफ यू हैव डाउट्स वी कैन डिस्कस इन द डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन. एनीवे पावर भी गया, नो इशू. आई मीन वी आर डन विद द क्लास ऑल्सो. थैंक यू, बाय बाय. ओके, राइट. शंकर लास्ट लेक्चर में तो बताया एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 2 वी विल गेट ए 0 एट द एंड. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम डिस्कसिंग हियर. ओके, special class will be on Thursday again, Thursday 12 p.m. that is day after tomorrow. We'll take the special class. Thank you, bye bye, love you all.